Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Clarice and I got married in 2023 to the love of my life. And today I'm gonna go through 5 things that I would not change about my wedding so that you can take that and run. The first thing that I would not change about my wedding is the food. I would spend the money that I spent on the food because it was so delicious and worth it, and all my guests were so happy with the food. So many people came to me afterwards saying that they loved the food, so I absolutely would not change the amount of money that I spent, and most of the money that I spent on my wedding was on the food so that my guests could enjoy a good time. 2, my custom-made wedding dress. The reason I wouldn't change that is because I got to add all of the features of dresses that I had been trying on together in one dress while I worked with this designer, and it fit me like a glove and I felt very beautiful, so I would not change having custom made my dress. The third thing that I would not change are my save the dates that matched my wedding favors. I made them by hand. The save the dates, I originally came up with this idea of having the theme be marigolds, and then I found a tutorial online where I made felt marigolds as wedding favors for my guests. Some of my guests still display these flowers in their homes, in their cars, so I would not change that for the world because so many of my guests enjoyed having these handmade save the dates and these handmade flower marigolds that I made out of felt. Let's see. The fourth thing I wouldn't change were my invitations that I handmade. I was super proud of those. Was it cost efficient? Yes, I would say it was cost efficient. Another reason why I would not change my invitations. Was it easy? No. Did it take a lot of time? Yes. It took me a lot of time, but I would do it again. I loved those invitations. I felt like they were so beautiful. Yeah, they were cost efficient. So I would 100% recommend making your own invitations. You'll save a lot and you might have a good time making them. The fifth thing that I would not change about my wedding is the music. 100%. We had live harp music for the ceremony and for the cocktail hour. Highly recommend harp music. It was so beautiful. I'm actually a musician myself, and I felt like it gave the ceremony the depth that it deserved. So highly recommend solo harp music as an instrument live for your ceremony and cocktail hour. For the reception, we actually went with a DJ, and I also highly recommend that. It was so much fun. We got to be on the dance floor with so many different styles of music, and everyone was up and dancing. Our DJ was amazing, so wouldn't change that. Wouldn't. The last thing I wouldn't change, and this is a bonus one, I wouldn't change the groom. I love him very much, and I would marry him 1,000,000,000,000,000 times. He is the best, and he actually helped me with all of my decor dreams. He even helped me cut out felt fabric to make all of the marigolds that I gave to my guests. So yeah, that's not the reason I married him. However, that just describes the man that he is. He's a very loving, kind, thoughtful, amazing man. So would marry him again. Okay, that's the end of my video of 5 things, technically 6 things that I would not change about my wedding. There you go, you have it. If it helps you plan your own wedding, great. If it was just entertaining, great. If it wasn't entertaining, great. Love you guys, and looking forward to hearing your thoughts. All right, have a great day. Bye.